Hi, my name is Deborah Hensley Loewe, and I want to talk about Voir. Voir is the first part of the trial where the attorney and the jury get to have a conversation. It's a question and answer session. One thing you can do at the beginning is to make sure you're asking questions and letting them talk, not speaking too much yourself. I used to give an intro of who I am and my background, and then I had a daughter that swam, so I wouldn't be a good person to judge a swim meet. But now I don't do that because you're short on time, and to tell you the truth, they don't really care about you and your background. So what I do also is I ask permission to use their numbers. This is a time-saving tool, and what it does is I say, hey, jurors, you have a numbers. Is it okay if I use your numbers? It'll go quicker. I'm going to be conscious of your time. And asking permission really tells them that I'm a real person and not just some kind of a-hole attorney. I also do this during the voir dire because I say, hey, I'm going to use my notes. I don't want to forget anything important, which is absolutely true. And so this is just something that helps you bond with the jury. So a lot of attorneys have a problem with getting the juries talking. So one question you can ask to get them talking is ask them, what is their passion? What gets you up in the morning? What do you feel proud of? What gives you a sense of accomplishment? What could you do more of if you had more time? Their answers are going to range anywhere from travel to reading to books, exercise, hiking, biking. Some people, their passion is their job, and that's great. What you want to do is loop that around the room. So Mr. Jones says, my passion is exercise or hiking. Okay, great. Who else likes to exercise or hike? And okay, Mr. Rogers over there. That's wonderful. Okay, so and then you ask them, what does that do for you, that hiking? What do you get out of that? The reason you're asking these questions is because in the end, you're going to ask for money from the jury about things that your client can't do anymore. Maybe your client used to hike 10 miles every day and they can't do that now. So it's very important to do this line of questioning so at the end they understand the value of what your client can't do.